Let me now tell you about what's happening in Jammu and Kashmir. It's been 10 days on since the Pahalgam terror carnage. And a question, where are the butchers who point-blank targeted 25 Hindus? Armed forces are on the job in these dense jungles surrounding Pahalgam. It is a difficult operation, but it's also a long wait from all Indians, especially the survivors of the massacre, to know where these terrorists are holed up. The jihadists continue to be at large. Watch this report about the latest coming in from J&K.
10 days after the Pahalgam attack that killed 26 people, the terrorists remain at large. Despite non-stop operations by security forces in dense forest at different locations, the terrorists have managed to evade the dragnet. From the terrain to help from suspected overground workers to natural shelters like caves, the highly trained terrorists are using many factors to their advantage. The NIA team, which is camping in Baisaran Valley, is intensifying its probe. NIA Chief Sadanand Date visited the site and reviewed the situation. According to NIA sources, nearly 100 individuals have been questioned and 15 are under close scrutiny. Raids have been carried out across Jammu and Kashmir at suspected locations linked to overground workers, including those affiliated with separatist groups like Jamaat-e-Islami. Seizures during these raids indicate support for the terrorists. Areas like Kupwara, Handwara, Anantnag, Tral, Pulwama, Sopore, Baramulla and Bandipora have been under the scanner. Call records and other technical data are being analyzed to trace connections between overground workers and the terrorists. The NIA suspects that dense forests and caves in Anantnag district are being used as natural shelters by the terrorists. Intelligence inputs suggest they are well trained, likely from Pakistan, and carrying enough rations to survive for over a week. As per sources, initial probe revealed that terrorists had recce'd 3 areas in Pahalgam on April 15. Sources also revealed that a terrorist conducted a recce of Pahalgam's amusement park and that the attack was postponed due to tight security.
इस वक्त मैं जो पहलगाम का अम्यूज़मेंट पार्क है ठीक वहीं मौजूद हूं और आपको दिखाऊं यहाँ ये काफ़ी बड़ा पार्क है, पहलगाम के मेन मार्केट के पास पड़ता है और जो सोर्सेज ने इंडिया टुडे को बताया है कि 15 अप्रैल को जो आतंकवादी है जिन्होंने बैरसन घाटी में आतंकवादी हमला किया वो इस पार्क में भी आए थे और यहाँ की रेकी की थी.
Sources revealed that terrorists used Ultraset communication system. Through this system, terrorists can communicate and send messages without a SIM card. Security forces are confident it is only a matter of time before the terrorists behind the Pahalgam massacre are caught. With Kamaljeet and Arvind Ojha in Pahalgam, Mir Farid in Srinagar, Jitendra Bahadur in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.